Good morning. It is Sunday, March the 13th, 2016, about 8:40. There's a 50% chance of thunderstorms today and a high of 81. And the time changed during the night, and it was hard to get up this morning. There's our 50% chance of rain. It's raining. Now we just gotta wait for the thunderstorms. Here we are at church.
Park back there by now, I guess.
The azaleas here at the church are pretty. Blooming. I didn't have anybody in my Sunday school class this morning, so I went to the senior adult class. These azaleas are blooming on the top and on the bottom, but not in between. I think I see buds though. Larry's in checking the heater in the fellowship hall. The heater in AC, make sure it's set on the right temperature and lights are out and the doors are locked. He's wearing his brown suit today. Or a sport coat. That much follow on the truck just as we got to church. This?
Now come just a little bit closer. Oh, right there.
Okay.
I guess you're heading the whole quilt.
Well, the whole quilt is finished, finally. Finished it last night. This is the front. This is the back. This right here is soft flannel. So it'll be nice and soft for the baby. Of course, she's not a baby anymore. She's 2. But at least it's something for her from her G-Ma and her grandma.
Who's it for?
For Emma.
Oh, okay. I didn't hear you say.
Yeah, this is the one I found in the attic that Loretta started, and now I'm finishing.
Looks good.
Oh, thank you.
Just about had to do the whole thing.
Yeah, I did most of it. She had the binding on it. Loretta had the binding on it to start with.
And Emma's going to be 2.
Emma's going to be 2.
I call it a little tornado.
Now she is. Okay. I just got get a big bag to put it in.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Thank
Looks
you.
good.
Just wanted to show that. Okay. Thought I'd show you how pretty the azalea is there blooming, that big one. And it's got all the Spanish moss in the tree right beside of it. I was hoping to film it with the sun shining on it, but the sun keeps going behind the clouds. Looks like there might be a rain cloud back up above it. Here's the azaleas a little closer up. Here's the blueberry bushes. They're blooming again. It'll be blueberry season before I know it. You can see the fish there in the pool or not. But all that up there is pollen blown off the pine trees. Wind's blowing it that way, because back here the water's all clear. Here you get up there, and then you can see it. Clear pollen. Well, the storm's over and the sun's back out. thought popcorn would make a nice snack. Larry's in the kitchen cooking.
Don't have any choice.
It's supper time. It's every man for himself on Sunday nights.
Monday, Tuesday.
I wish. Is that grits?
Of course.
There's grits in the pot.
Nothing better.
Instant grits?
No, they're quick grits.
Oh, 5-minute quick grits.
Cooking more than that. Be tender.
Oh, I see this. I see the sunset out the window. I better run out there and get it. What there is left. I'll be back. It's hard to see, but it's out there. That noise you just heard was geese flying over very quickly. And they're gone. I don't know where they went. There's geese way back there in the sunset flying low. The ones that flew over here must have been strays. They're right above the treetops. And they're gone. I guess that's it. Oh, the grit's coming. Oh. They're boiling and I see little bits of grit popping up into the sky. Like a little volcano. Those geese flew right over my head, about 3 of them. And then way back at the sunset, there was a whole group of them flew by. I guess the whole flock flew by. Oh, looks like there's going to be eggs to go with the grits. I've been picking out a few pecans. I started on the bag now that I have the baby quilt done.
What happens when you don't measure? You get more grits than you want.
Oh, and here the toast came up. Oh, someone called this afternoon wants to buy our extra can of green paint. So, be meeting them Wednesday, hopefully. Did you find something to watch on Netflix?
Not really. World's deadliest venom animals. I already watched 2 episodes, but I got tired of that.
Yeah, I'd be
Snakes and crocodiles.
I wouldn't make it through one. It's always a challenge to get everything done at the same time.
So I'm going to get cold. Burn my hand.
Mary likes his toast brown. No, I think it gets brown because the toaster's turned up to make it brown.
That's enough if I want too much.
Butter's melting right in there, even if it is cold. I'd say that egg looks done.
You think? I can't tell if salt comes out or not. Perfect 10-minute meal.
Enjoy. Good night. God bless.